Have you ever seen a bird smile? Deep in a sunny forest lived a little bluebird named Pip. Pip was a cheerful bird, always singing the sweetest songs, but he had one little problem. He didn't know how to smile. He'd watch the friendly squirrels grin and the wise old owls give a gentle smile, and he longed to do the same. So Pip decided to go on an adventure. First, he visited Freddy the Frog, who showed him how to stretch his mouth wide. "Ribbit wider," Freddy croaked. Pip tried, but it just looked like a big O next. He found a cheerful caterpillar who taught him to wiggle his beak from side to side. It was fun, but it wasn't quite a smile. Stay tuned to see who Pip meets next on his quest to find his smile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more heartwarming stories.